Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in physics subject and I want to work on measurement of heat energy. Now I have this question that said that we should calculate the amount of heat required to change 3 grams of ice at 0 degrees centigrade to steam at 100 degrees centigrade when the specific latent heat of fusion of ice is 336 joules per gram. Specific latent heat of vaporization of steam is 2260 joules per gram. Specific heat capacity of water is 4.2 joules per gram per Kelvin. Now, if we want to solve this, first we have to bring out these three parameters, which is gotten from this constant given. Now, this first value, right, is heat change when the water or ice changes from solid ice to liquid water at the same temperature of 0 degrees centigrade. That is melting. So on this aspect you have melting, right? Then this parameter here is the heat change when the water, liquid now, changes from the liquid water to gaseous water. That's vapor at the same temperature of 100 degrees centigrade. That's boiling now. Then the last parameter based on this question is heat change when the water changes from ice block at a negative temperature to ice at 0 degrees centigrade, or the reverse. So in other cases it can also be heat change when the water changes from water at 0 degrees centigrade to its boiling point 100 degrees centigrade, or the reverse. Right? So this is the case that we're going to be discussing here now. All right. So let's note that the amount of heat has to be the sum of all these changes. So it will be MLF for fusion, right? Then plus MLV for vaporization, and then for MC change in theta. Now then, what is the mass given? The mass here is 3. Now in some cases you have to convert this mass to kilogram, which is a standard unit. But looking at these specific capacities given here, you discover that the unit is also in grams. Look at grams here, grams here. So there is no need converting these three. We'll just use it the way it is. So in that case, we were having 3 times this LF. We already use it to represent specific latent heat of fusion of ice. So it's 336. Then plus MLV. This one has to do with vaporization. So we have the mass still remain 3 times LV, which is specific latent heat of vaporization, is 2260. Then plus M here is what? 3 times specific capacity of water is giving us 4.2 times. So change in theta will now be 100 minus 0, so it's still 100. Okay, so for this aspect, let's multiply this now. So we'll be having 3 times 336 to give us 1008 joules, plus 3 times 2260 will have 6780 joules, plus 3 times 4.2 times 100 will have 1260 joules, right? Okay, so the amount of heat now, we'll add up all these values. So let's see. We have 1008 plus 6780 plus 1260, and the total value is 9048 joules. That's the total heat required. Thank you for following. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.